Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mary and I'm glad that you're here. And thank you so much for watching my other video. Normally I just do crafting videos, but I remember one of my coworkers said, she goes, you need to do a cooking video. Well, I kind of thought of this at the last minute. So unfortunately I should have, photographed all the ingredients before getting it together to mix this up. I'm making a turkey loaf because my husband has to have surgery and I need to make up things in advance as much as possible. So anyway, I'm just going to show you this, and what I have in here is a combination of leftover mixed vegetables, so those were already cooked, and instead of those going bad, I always add those to my meatloaf. And then I added brown sugar. A little bit of brown sugar gives a sweetness to your meatloaf. If you don't want to add that, you don't have to add that. I added 1 egg, and no, I didn't beat it before adding it. I added a little bit of leftover rice, as you can see. And then I also add in a little bit of salt, a little bit of cracked pepper, and I either add in the dash, or what used to be called Mrs. Dash, a little bit of that. And sometimes what I add is Greek seasoning. So I just wanted to let you know that's what I add, and usually I don't even add any ketchup, for those of you that don't like ketchup. And there might be a few of you that don't like ketchup. I don't mind ketchup, and my husband doesn't mind it, but if I do add it to my meatloaf, I usually add it just before it gets done in the oven. Okay, so pretty much is what I have in there, and I chopped a little bit of an onion to put in there too for flavor. So when this comes out of the, it'll be probably a separate video maybe, but I might show you what it looks like. Who knows? I don't know. I won't make any promises. Okay, well, thank you. This is very short and sweet. But as you can tell, we have our birds in here, and they get to look out of a sliding glass window over there. Okay, well, I'm going to say bid you adieu, and I'll go ahead and get this uploaded then. Thanks for watching. Bye, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Oh, and let me know if you want to see other cooking videos. Alrighty, bye-bye.